Welcome folks, it's your host Valerian, and I'm here to test and show you in action a new powerful light, which is the Headlamp Astrolux HL01 with an SST-20 neutral white 4000 kelvins LED. I powered it with a single 18650 battery, which is Samsung INR 25R. As you see, the light has the focused beam with a little bit of spill thanks to the orange peel deep reflector, and it has the famous user interface called Anduril. I'm double clicking the side switch to access the turbo mode. Here is the maximal level, and I'm holding the side switch to ramp to the lowest mode, which is the moonlight. I turned the light off and there are 4 blue auxiliary lights. And there is a little bit of indoor demonstration. Here is the headlamp. Maximal level. The moonlight. And that is it for tonight, guys and girls. Please do support me by clicking like, subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon too. This was Valerian, signing out.